Welcome to Asynt. My name's Martin Fordham, and today I'd like to tell you a little bit about some flow chemistry options available to you, and in particular this one here called fReactor. Let me show you on my iPad some information about our sister company Uniquesys. So we set up Uniquesys in 2007, and it's grown to be one of the key players in the flow chemistry research market. It certainly offers the most flexibility in terms of customization, automation, and as you can see at the top here, we have the incredible PhotoSyn, which is very high power flow chemistry photoreactor. So some great stuff there. fReactor from Asynt gives you the ability to get started with flow chemistry without spending a fortune. It simply fits on top of a standard magnetic hot plate stirrer, and you then add your own pumps of choice to flow through the chemistry. Developed by the University of Leeds, it works on a continuous stirred tank reactor principle. So we have 5 individual continuous stirred tanks, and each of those gives a volume of 2 milliliters as standard, and they're linked together, and you can link them however you wish. Let me get a close-up using my phone. In fact, let's take it off the hot plate to make it easy. So here you can see we have on top a safety shield. The safety shield is just in case there was to be any issue with the reactors themselves, so an additional layer of protection. Let's take that off. And now you can see the individual reactors. So here we've got it set up with an input into one, through all 5 and out the other. But if we look closely at each reactor, each has 4 positions. These are just blanking plugs. And here we have the in and out on this particular one, keeping it simple. But these can be used for a double feed, or double feed and temperature probe. So you could measure the solution temperature in the first reactor, or in every reactor if you wanted to. Let's undo one of these and show you it close up. So I'm going to take that out and turn the camera off. So here you can see inside a cross-shaped magnetic stirring bar. So the magnetic drive mixes in each of these stages. So one of the things that fReactor does offer, even the more sophisticated flow chemistry user, is a reactor you can add onto your system, or that you already have, that enables biphasic chemistry to be performed with ease. To undo the fReactor, just using one hand, not always as easy to do whilst holding a phone. There we go. And here you'll see we've now got the reactor open. There's the O-ring to go back in. The glass reactor lid. Now these are toughened glass and have been tested to 60 bar pressure, although we only rate them for safe use at 7 bar, so beware that that is the case. So now I have fReactor back together. how do you get started with the flow chemistry? What chemistry? How do you utilize this device with ease? Well, something else that comes with FReeactor, in fact you don't have to buy FReeactor to have this, is a website called fReactor.com. So let me show you. Unlocking the power of flow chemistry. So you can see on this page, on the main first page you get to, an indication of how you potentially could set one up. So the first mixing reactor, the first reactor is considered the initial mixing stage, then a reaction zone, the next 3 reactors as the heating stage, and the final reactor, reactor number 5, used as a quench, and then a back pressure 7-bar regulator to keep everything under control. So very, very simple setup, but you could plumb this however you want. Very easy to do. So if we go to the learning zone, you can see here you can work out residence time. So this gives you everything you need to work out the flow rate you need to have a right resonance time, depending on how many reactors you have in. So some really simple tools on there to help you get started with flow chemistry. On this page, a quick start guide, video clips how to assemble, disassemble, just simple stuff to get you going. An absolutely brilliant way of getting students playing with flow chemistry. Not playing with flow chemistry, performing flow chemistry. Over the coming months, together with Leeds University, we're going to be developing more add-ons to FReeactor. Very soon there's going to be a 10 milliliter reactor volume scale available. Watch this space. Photochemistry coming later in the year, hopefully, or early next year. And next year, this is 2020 by the way, just in case you're watching this in 2023. And other materials, currently we're offering exclusively PEEK, but we'll shortly be offering materials such as Hastelloy. So FReeactor is going to be growing in what it's able to do and what's available to help you utilize it. I'm going to be putting together another video on FReeactor soon to talk about a recent publication by Leeds and how to use FReeactor for hydrogenations. So want to find out more as we go along, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you'd like to find out more about FReeactor, go to fReactor.com. And if you've got any questions, want pricing, want to speak to one of our chemists, please drop an email to inquiries@asynt.com. Thanks very much for watching today's video, and we'll speak to you very soon. Bye bye.